When it comes to upgrading your home's windows and doors, choosing the right contractor makes all the difference. Homeowners want more than just a quick installation. They want quality craftsmanship, honest communication, long-term value, and a team they can trust inside their homes. That's exactly what sets Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors apart from other local contractors. A customer-first approach from day one. One of the biggest frustrations homeowners face with contractors is poor communication. Missed calls, vague estimates, and unclear timelines can quickly turn an exciting home improvement project into a stressful experience. At Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors, the process begins with listening. From the initial consultation, their team takes time to understand your goals, budget, and style preferences. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or replace aging, drafty windows, they provide clear recommendations tailored specifically to your home. No high-pressure sales tactics, just straightforward advice designed to help you make the best decision for your family. Superior product quality. Not all windows and doors are created equal. Many contractors focus on offering the cheapest option available, which can lead to premature wear, poor insulation, and higher energy bills over time. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors partners with trusted manufacturers known for durability, performance, and design versatility. Their products are built to withstand Texas weather, intense heat, sudden storms, and fluctuating temperatures, while maintaining their appearance and efficiency year after year. Customers benefit from energy-efficient glass packages that help reduce heating and cooling costs, durable framing materials that resist warping and moisture damage, stylish designs that complement both modern and traditional homes. The result is not just a visual upgrade but a long-term investment in comfort and value. Expert installation that makes the difference. Even the highest quality window or door will fail if it's not installed properly. Unfortunately, many contractors rush through jobs to move on to the next project. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and costly repairs down the road. What truly sets Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors apart is their commitment to precision installation. Their experienced crews follow proven installation techniques to ensure a perfect fit and proper sealing. Attention to detail at every step, from careful measurements to thorough finishing work, ensures that your new windows and doors perform exactly as intended. Homeowners often notice the difference immediately: quieter rooms, improved indoor comfort, and smoother operation. Transparent pricing and honest estimates. Another area where local contractors often fall short is pricing transparency. Hidden fees and unexpected add-ons can leave customers feeling misled. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors believes in upfront, honest estimates. You'll receive a detailed breakdown of costs before work begins, so there are no surprises later. Their team explains your options clearly, helping you balance features, performance, and budget without confusion. This transparency builds trust, and that trust leads to lasting customer relationships. Respect for your home improvement projects can be disruptive. Dust, debris, and careless crews can turn your living space upside down. Customers consistently appreciate the professionalism and respect shown by the Richland Hills team. Installers arrive on time, maintain clean work areas, and treat your property as if it were their own. Protective coverings, careful removal of old materials, and thorough cleanup at the end of each day minimize inconvenience. The goal is simple: leave your home better than they found it. Strong warranties and ongoing support. The relationship doesn't end once the installation is complete. Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors stands behind both their products and their workmanship. Comprehensive warranties provide peace of mind, and their team remains available to answer questions long after the project wraps up. That ongoing support is something many homeowners don't realize they need, until they experience the difference. A reputation built on results. Ultimately, what sets Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors apart is consistency. Consistently high-quality products. Consistently skilled installation. Consistently satisfied customers. For homeowners who want more than just a contractor, for those who want a reliable partner in improving their home, Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors delivers an experience built on trust, craftsmanship, and lasting value. When you choose a company that prioritizes your comfort, your budget, and your long-term satisfaction, the difference is clear from the very first conversation.